Introduction to Language Understanding. 1. An app accepts natural language input from a user. 2. A language model is used to determine semantic meaning, the user's intent. 3. The app performs an appropriate action. Natural language processing, NLP, requires a language model to interpret user input. Often this activity is referred to as natural language understanding, NLU. Conversational language understanding, CLU, is an Azure service to enable you to build natural language understanding component to be used in an end-to-end conversational application. Intents and utterances. To train a language understanding model, specify utterances that represent expected natural language input. Map utterances to intents that assign semantic meaning. Entities. Define entities to add specific context to intents. Pre-built entity components. Pre-built components automatically predict common types from utterances, quantities, datetime, email, phone number, URL. Azure AI Language Service capabilities. Features fall into two categories. Pre-configured features can be used without labeling or training. Summarization. Named entity recognition, PII detection, key phrase detection, sentiment analysis, language detection. Learned features require labeling, training, and deploying to utilize. Conversational language understanding, custom named entity recognition, custom text classification, question answering, processing predictions. Submit a request to a published slot, specifying kind indicates which language feature you're requesting. For example, kind is defined as conversation for conversational language understanding, or entity recognition to detect entities. Parameters indicates the values for various input parameters. These parameters vary depending on the feature. Analysis input specifies the input documents or text strings to be analyzed by the Azure AI Language Service. Training, testing, publishing, and reviewing. 1. Train a model to learn intents and entities from sample utterances. 2. Test the model interactively or using a testing dataset with known labels. 3. Deploy a trained model to a public endpoint so client apps can use it. 4. Review predictions and iterate on utterances to train your model.